Hi guys and welcome to another video. So we're gonna start talking about loops. Okay, so let's start by talking about the concepts of loops. Let me just give a zoom in here. So loops are basically, in a few words, are repetitive repetitivity tests. Okay, so repetitivity, I think is that. Repetitive. Yeah, I'm kind of lost now. So basically, it's tasks that we do more than once to point that in a sentence. Okay, so let's just say that I wanna, for example, let me see, write a file. I need to loop over each line and then write each single line into a file. So that's just one example. I could, for example, iterate over an array and multiply each number or do some operation with each number. So that's just how you can see it. But let's just continue with this topic. So first of all, to create a loop, we're going to define the. Let me just show you guys. So we're going to create a variable called I, which it stands for integer. Okay, so basically most of the loops that you're gonna see, it has at least an I. It might have a J if it is a loop inside another loop. The reason why you use I is because it's an integer, and we're dealing with indexes. Okay, so that's why. Let's use the for loop, which is the most common loop in C. So we do this. So the first thing we do is to define the first value, which is I. In this case is 0. So we do this when we type semicolon. Okay, so now we're gonna type I, and this is going to be the condition to stop the loop. So you can read as while. So while I is less than 10. Let's add some space here, semicolon. So I'm gonna remove this space here just to be clear, or just one space is enough. So okay, so this is the start number, the condition, and the third argument is the increment. So the increment here can be a number. For the sake of this, we can just let's just continue with the basics, which is I plus plus, which means I plus 1. So we're gonna add some curly brackets to write some internal code here. Let's use the printf function and just print I. Okay, print I. I'm gonna add a new line here. So that's just the basics. Let's just compile. I should see, yeah. So you guys can see we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So you guys can see that in the first iteration, we're gonna see that. Let me just show you guys how this will work under the hood. So we have 0 less than 10, and then we have 0 plus 1. So this is basically what's happening in the first iteration. Okay, so let's see that we have 0. So 0 is less than 10. It's true. Because it's true, we continue by incrementing 1. So we go 10. So 0 now, I actually is equal to 1. So 1. So 1 is less than 10. True. So we get this 1 plus 1. And we go to next iteration. So now it's 2. 2 is less than 2 is less than 10. And 2 plus 1, and then we go again. So at some point, this will be equal 9. So 9 and 9. So 9 is less than 10. True. So we go to this line. So then we go to 10. So 10 is less than 10. So we go a false. So this is false since it's not less than 10. So we break the loop. So basically that's how it goes. This is why you won't see 9. I'm going to show you guys how to use this difference. So thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys next time.